When I need to put up a safety gate, I don't want it to be rocket science. Just give me a product that's easy to use and goes up in a snap. The Cumbor Safety Gate does both, and you don't have to be an engineer to install it. When you unpack your gate, make sure you don't cut this plastic tie until you're done. It's there to help during the install process. Don't worry when you see a gap in your gate. It's meant to be there. The gap will automatically decrease in size when your gate's installed. Start by measuring the width where you're putting the gate. Add on these extension pieces to fill the space if you need to. Next, put the bolts in each corner and turn them to increase your gate's tension. Tighten them with the included wrench until the gap in the door lock closes to about 1/16 of an inch in size. Make sure your gate is centered and the distance on each side is the same. Once it's secure, now you can cut the plastic tie. Give it a test run, and you're ready to go. See, it's not rocket science. It's the Cumbor Safety Gate. So easy to install, anyone can do it. Thanks, Cumbor!